This is common cooking verbs in English. Flip, flip, flip. Peel, peel, peel. Bake, bake, bake. Spread, spread, spread. Slice, slice, slice. Melt, melt, melt. Cut, cut, cut. Knead, knead, knead. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Pour, pour, pour. Mix, mix, mix. Fry, fry, fry. Boil, boil, boil. Put, put, put. Grill, grill, grill. Chop, chop, chop. Add, add, add. Put on fire, put on fire, put on fire. Serve, serve, serve. If you find this video helpful, drop like and subscribe to the channel to receive more English learning videos. Thanks for watching.